Hello dear students, here is another problem on Boolean expression where we have to reduce the given Boolean expression. Okay, I have taken one another expression so that we can reduce it. So see here, a plus b in bracket ac plus in bracket b plus c bar into d bracket close. Okay, now simply we have to in the next step we have to take here the distributive law. We have to apply this distributive law. See how can we apply the distributive law here. In given expression here b is out of bracket, and in bracket there are two terms, this ac and this whole term. Okay, this b will be get distributed to this term first term and this whole second term, so it will be get into the product of that term. And the stage next step will be what? Distributive law. Distributive law, and the expression will be a plus, and what it will become what? ABC. We can write is ABC or BAC, both are the same, plus here b will also get distributed to this, okay, out of the this bracket but in multiplication with the d. B into d in bracket b plus c bar, and this whole bracket will be closed. Okay, now next stage will be also here we can see we can apply the distributive law for this too. Okay, see here what will happen. There are simple, very simple stages are there. Here a as it is plus as it is, abc as it is, plus bd, and this b will be b into d, plus this will be b c bar and this d. We can write as bd c bar also and b c bar and d also. How it is? B c bar into d. Okay, now here we can see the b into b. Okay, as you can remind, the b into b is always b. How? Let us consider this b is 0, automatically this b is also 0, and also 0 into 0 is 0, which is nothing but your the previous one. Okay, we can consider it is 1, it will also becomes 1 into 1 is equal to 1. Okay, so that here b into b will be your b. Okay, now what will happen? A plus abc as it is, and here plus as it is, and this out of this 2b, instead of this 2b we should take 1b into d, and the remaining term b c bar into d. Okay, now we should take common from these two terms bd, and here bd we can take bd as common out of the bracket a plus abc as it is, plus this bd we will take common. What will remain here? Bd means here it will remain 1 only, the plus as it is. Here b and d get out of this bracket, and it will remain only c bar. Okay, here bd is common and 1 plus c bar remaining only. Okay, now 1 plus c bar is always what we can say is 1. Okay, how? See here 1 plus c bar, here in this term here is c and here is c bar. Let's consider the c bar is equal to 0, then what will be c? C will be its complement, that is 1. Okay, so this term will be 1 plus 0, it means 1. Okay, so or also we can take this c bar as a 1, it will also becomes the 1. So first of all consider this is c bar is equal to 0 and 1 is equal to c is equal to 1. So what the expression will become, this term will becomes your 1, and here c sorry, C bar. Yes, this term will becomes 1 and this term will become only AB. How? This A as it is, AB into C. What is the C? C will be your 1. So only AB will be there plus BD. Okay, and the BD multiplied by this whole term will be your 1. But here C bar, here we have taken 0. C bar we have taken it is as 0, so that 0 1 plus 0 it will be 1, and the only this term will be remaining, that is BD. Now the next stage, we will take A common from this 2. We take A from this 2. What happens? A common, A 1 plus B will be remaining. Okay, A कॉमन लिया इसमें, तो ये 1 plus B रह गया. The next step will be 1 plus B also becomes 1. Similarly to this, we can take 1 plus any term will be becomes the unity. Okay, so see what will happen now. What will remain? A plus here only BD. So next to this we cannot reduce, so that this will be your final answer. Okay, for this question, for this expression, this will be your final answer, so that we can write here as given expression A plus B in bracket AC plus in bracket B plus C bar bracket close into D will be A plus BD. Okay, thank you.